Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Life Made Easy. I'm just going to be doing a quick update video. Probably not going to have an intro or anything for this, but let's get right into it. And so basically, this video, the main message is going to be like, I want to get some feedback from you guys, and I want to get some video suggestions from you guys. Because recently I've been just experimenting with some video ideas, trying to do different Xbox videos, Fortnite videos, smartphone videos, PC tutorials, just a bunch of tech-related stuff, videos on speaker, headphones, chargers, stuff like that. And I just want to hear what you guys want. I've tried to do this in the past with some poll cards that you can fill out, and it seems like a lot of people want me to do like tech tutorials, a lot of Xbox videos, and like phone reviews. If you do want me to do phone reviews, just let me know what phones in the comment section below. And then currently we're at 790 subs, so almost at 800. It's been a goal for mine for about a month now, and if we can achieve that, it'd be crazy. It'd be one milestone closer to 1,000. And also been hearing a lot. Been doing a lot of research on live streaming and how to grow your channel from live streaming. And you can also make some money off live streaming. I just don't know how to right now. But yeah, let me know if you guys want me to do live streams, maybe live chats with you guys again. I don't know if you guys are into that, but could do that as well. I think I might go and change my banner just because I haven't done it in a while. I don't want to get an updated banner to match my logo a little more, make it pop a little more, because right now it's kind of flat, as you can see. Anything else I want to go over? Videos have been doing pretty well. Just love when you guys leave support. Likes help the most on my videos, and also watch time, so I'm trying to stretch my videos out a little longer, and asking for likes also helps because it boosts it into the YouTube search algorithm, brings videos up in suggested videos and stuff like that. So yeah, make sure to leave a like on this video, help grow the channel. And if you guys have any tips for the channel, anything you want to see, anything like that, please leave it in the comments down below. That's going to be the main message for this video. So if you guys are new and you're watching this, Life Made Easy, do tech tutorials and reviews, and mostly PC stuff and Xbox stuff, and all things tech, headphones, speakers, anything like that. So subscribe if you're new. Turn on hit that notification bell. If I can go to a video and actually show you guys what to do. Okay, maybe it's not here, but there should be a little bell icon down here that you can hit. That'll notify you and send you an email, know exactly when I upload. So yeah, do all that good stuff, support the channel. If you guys ever want me to do a giveaway, I can do that, just let me know. And yeah, if you guys want me to review any products, just comment that below. Any video suggestions you want, leave it in the comments. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.